Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a profile in Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Brave browser allows you to create multiple profiles so that different users or activities can be separated. For example, you may have one profile for personal browsing and another for work. Each profile keeps its own bookmarks, extensions, history, and settings. However, if you no longer need a profile, you can easily delete it from Brave browser. Now let's see how to do it step by step. First, open Brave browser on your PC. After that, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. In the top down menu, select Manage Brave Profiles. Now hover mouse over profile you want to remove. Click on three dots menu and choose here option Delete. Brave will display a confirmation message telling you that deleting this profile will remove all its browsing data, including bookmarks, history, password, and extensions stored in that profile. If you are sure, click delete option. That's it. The selected profile will be removed immediately from the Brave browser. If you only have one profile left, Brave will automatically continue using that profile. Deleting unused profiles helps keep your browser organized and easier to manage. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.